DeCarteret College is represented by Kayla Dunkley, Thornton Dennis, Tatiana Horton, and Beyonce Brown. Montego Bay High is represented by Lysandra James, Age Africa Smith, Deandra Dixon, and Lily Rose Dixon, not related. Only one of these teams will move on to the next round. Hello everyone and welcome to Match 18 in round 1 of TVJ's Schools Challenge Quiz 2024. I'm your host Archibald Gordon. It all comes down to this. High schools from across Jamaica have entered the challenge. But do they have the skill, the knowledge and the temperament to move to the next round? This is the opening challenge. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Now, earlier we had the toss. Montego Bay High won and decided to go first. So we begin with Montego Bay High and with 4 minutes on the clock in the category of history. Montego Bay High, on what date did St. Vincent and the Grenadines gain its independence?
February 22nd, 1979.
February 22nd, 1979.
It's October 27, 1979. DeCarteret College history. On what date did Grenada gain its independence?
May 26, 1974.
May 26, 1974.
The year is correct, but it's February 7. Local affairs, Montego Bay High. This is a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify this person.
Deacon Mitchell.
Deacon Mitchell.
That's incorrect. That's Dr. Andre Horton. He is the opposition spokesperson on science and technology. DeCarteret College, local affairs, also a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify this person.
Carencia Morrison.
Carencia Morrison.
That's incorrect. That's Patricia Sutherland. She is the opposition spokesperson on social transformation and social protection. Physics, Montego Bay High. What is the name of the theory which demonstrates that the macroscopic properties of a gas can be derived from the properties of its individual particles?
Kinetic theory.
That is correct. DeCarteret College, physics. What's the name of the physical phenomenon which gives rise to the concave appearance of the surface of water in a glass capillary tube?
Surface tension.
Surface tension.
That's correct. Montego Bay High, music, an audio question. Please listen to the following clip and give the title of the song.
All around the globe, never find a warmer soul to know.
When we were young.
When we were young.
Incorrect. That's Nikita by Elton John. DeCarteret College, music, an audio question. Please listen to the following clip and give the title of the song.
Come on.
When I was young.
Incorrect. It's called Don't Go Breaking My Heart, also by Elton John. Spanish, Montego Bay High. What is the English translation of Me voy a trabajar?
I am going to work.
That's correct. DeCarteret College, Spanish. What is the English translation of Sí, tengo un perro?
Yes, I have a dog.
Yes, I have a dog.
That's correct. Theatre and cinema, Montego Bay High. A visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify the actor.
Terence Williams.
Terence Williams.
That's incorrect. That's Jeffrey Wright. Theatre and cinema, DeCarteret College. Also a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify this actor.
Timothy Chalamet.
Timothy Chalamet.
That's correct. Montego Bay High, Principles of Business. What is the title for a person who takes on the duties of a director of a business but isn't officially listed or appointed to the board?
Director.
Incorrect. It's a shadow director. DeCarteret College Principles of Business. What is the title for a board chairman of a company who is also involved in controlling and organizing the company's daily activities?
CEO. CEO. CEO.
That's incorrect. It's the executive chairman. And that's the end of the opening challenge. The scores are DeCarteret College on 3 and Montego Bay High on 2. When we come back, it will be time for the speed challenge. Schools Challenge quiz returns right after these messages.